In today's video, I want to guide you on how to fix DLL error on your Windows computer like the one you see on the screen. This is very simple, so do watch this video to the end and solve this problem once and for all. Now come to the search bar, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and it comes out like this. Now come to this place, copy this command, then right click here, hit the enter button, wait for this to scan your system. This may take a little while depending on the file on your system, so do wait and complete this process. Let this scan your system. Now the scanner has been completed. Now enter the next command, which is exit. Here type exit and click on enter button. Now that I've done that, then this takes us to the next prompt as well. Come to this place, type CMD again, then run as administrator by right clicking and run as administrator here. Click on yes again, then it comes out like this. Then type in this code GP update. Then hit the enter button, and as well wait for this to update, and this should be able to fix that error. You see that computer policy update has been completed successfully. User update has been completed successfully. So once this is completed, then this should be able to fix this error. Now restart your computer and see if it fixed this error. So if you enjoyed what I've explained in this video, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.